Welcome back. In this session, let's talk about different type of filters and how to use in the Power BI dashboard or report. So let me quickly go to the Power BI dashboard, Power BI report. So where I have four controls in this. So one is a tabular format, the other one is a kind of bar chart, this is a tree view, and this is a pie chart. So the first filter I want to apply is a visual level filter. So when I say visual level filter, this is a one visual, this is one visual, this is one visual, this is the other visual. Total four visuals in this particular page. So when I say visual level filter, that filter applies to any specific visual. So if you take this bar chart, so if I apply a visual level filter, then it affects only this particular visual. Then how to prepare a filter on a visual level? Okay, so let's select the control. Here if you see in the right side there is a filters, let's click on it. So here if you see the data automatically comes here, region and sum of sales. So now you want to specify the region, okay, rather than displaying all east, west, central and south. So let's select only these two, assume it. Then the data comes to only these part. Okay, so only these two regions only will come in the particular visual. So let me remove that and let me apply a calculated filter here. So here sum of sales. So sum of sales should be less than or equal to 500,000. Okay, at the bottom there is apply filter. Let's apply. So when I say that if the sum of sales should be, if sum of sales less than 500,000, so then you can see you will be having data for only central and south. So these both the sales as less than 500,000. Okay, so it's a sum of sales, not individual sales. So this is how that particular visual level filter works. So if I change here, so there is no change happening for this box and this tree map and even pie chart. This is nothing but a visual level filter. So let me remove all this. Okay, so yeah, so now I removed visual level filter. Okay, so no filter applied to this. So now let me go to the next level filter, page level filter. So I didn't select any of the control now. If you see in the right side, so there is a filters on this page and filters on all the pages. So let's talk about filters on this page. It is nothing but the filters which are applying at the page level. Okay, that is nothing but a page level filters. So what are all the filters you want to apply? So whatever the change you do here, it affects every control which is there in the particular page. Now let me take the drag and drop the region to here. So now, so region, four regions are there in this report. Let's select central and east. So then you will be getting here central and east, here central and east, here east and central, here also central and east. Okay, now let me go to the other page. This is the page level. Let me go to the other page, page 2. So now I have a data of south, central, west and east as well. Means whatever the filter I selected here, it applied only this page. There is no impact on this page. It is nothing but a page level filters. Okay, so you can see here two sections, filters on this page. So now currently applied on that particular page itself. So let me remove this, remove the filter. Now all the data is visible in both the pages. There is no change. Now there is one more option here, filters on all the pages. So if you apply something here, then it impacts the other pages as well. It restricts the data, it filters the data in other pages as well. Now let's take the region here. So now, so let's select only central and east, assume it. Okay, so if you see here, now in this page, central and east is selected everywhere. If you come to the page 2, here also you can see central and east only. There is no south here if you see. There is no other options here in this. So this is how the reports are the filters at the page level. So this is how these filters works in the Power BI. There are three filters we covered here. One is the visualization level, second one is at the page level, third one is at the report level. Report is nothing but collection of pages. So the next slicer filter level, slicer filter, we'll talk in the next session. That's it.